Most BMW owners think their key fob only locks and unlocks doors. But there are 5 hidden features that can save you thousands in theft prevention and emergency situations. Last week, a guy brought me his 2021 X5 that had been sitting in his driveway for 3 days with a completely dead battery. The electronic door handles wouldn't work, the comfort access was disabled, and he couldn't even get inside to pop the hood for a jump start. I asked him one question. Did you know your key fob has a hidden metal blade that can unlock your car mechanically? He said, "What? I thought these were all electronic now." I showed him how to pull the driver's door handle out, slide the key blade into the tiny slot under the handle's plastic cap, and pop the cover off to reveal the hidden lock cylinder. We turned the key, opened the door, and got him jump-started in under 2 minutes. Here are 5 BMW key fob secrets that only about 1% of owners actually know how to use. And number 1 will genuinely shock you because it can prevent your car from being stolen while you sleep. Number 5. Your key fob automatically goes to sleep after exactly 2 minutes of being motionless. Here's what's actually happening inside that accelerometer every time you set your keys down. BMW integrates a 3-axis micro-electromechanical system accelerometer directly onto the key fob's printed circuit board to combat relay attacks. This sensor actively monitors the physical state of the key fob, and when placed on a stationary surface like a table or key hook, it continuously measures movement. If the accelerometer registers absolute immobility for exactly 120 seconds, the key fob's internal microprocessor halts all passive transponder emissions, placing the unit into a deep sleep state. In this deactivated mode, the fob ceases all passive communication with the vehicle's transponders, rendering radio range extenders completely useless for thieves attempting relay attacks. The key fob remains radio silent until the accelerometer registers physical movement, such as being picked up or shifted, which instantly wakes the transmitter and restores passive comfort access functionality. This integrated capability provides passive security without requiring you to buy aftermarket blocking cases or manually disable your keys. Despite its immense value in preventing vehicle theft, approximately 99% of BMW owners remain unaware of its existence because the power down sequence occurs silently and passively. There's no external LED, acoustic chime, or instrument cluster notification indicating that the key has entered sleep mode, making the transition seamless and invisible to most users. The sophistication of this system lies in its ability to distinguish between intentional movement and environmental vibrations. The accelerometer is calibrated to ignore minor vibrations from nearby traffic, wind, or building movement, focusing only on deliberate physical displacement that indicates human interaction. This prevents false wake-ups that would compromise the security benefit while ensuring the system activates reliably when you actually need to use your vehicle. Modern vehicle theft rings have increasingly migrated toward relay attacks, where criminals use high-frequency signal boosters to capture the low-power passive comfort access beacon emitted by key fobs inside homes. By extending this signal to vehicles parked outside, accomplices can fool the car's security system into registering the physical presence of the key, allowing them to unlock doors and start the ignition without ever touching the actual key fob. Number 4 on our list is the comfort closing feature that's disabled in US spec vehicles, but can be unlocked through coding to give you remote window and sunroof control. Most luxury vehicle key fobs feature a basic comfort open function, where holding down the unlock button triggers the body domain controller to lower all windows and slide back the sunroof to vent heat from the cabin. However, the reverse process of remotely sealing the vehicle by holding the lock button is disabled in North American market vehicles. In European and other global markets, this comfort closing behavior is enabled by default, but Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard 118 regulates remote power window systems to prevent injury or passenger entrapment. To ensure compliance, BMW disables remote key fob window closing in US specification vehicles at the factory level. To unlock this hardware's full capability, you must modify the configuration parameters within the vehicle's central electronic modules using diagnostic software like BimmerCode or eSys for modern G-Series cars, or legacy software like NCS Expert if you're coding an older E-Series. By changing the BDC parameter FH_KOMFORTSCHLIESSUNG_FB from NICT_active to active, the system authorizes continuous press lock commands from the key fob. Once coded, holding the lock button for several seconds will close all open glass panels and fold the side mirrors without needing to touch the physical door handles. This feature provides significant utility for cabin preconditioning and secure parking, allowing you to seal the vehicle from a distance if you realize a window or sunroof was left open. The practical applications of this feature extend far beyond simple convenience. On hot summer days, you can lower all windows while approaching the vehicle to purge superheated air from the cabin, reducing the initial thermal load on the climate control system and improving comfort immediately upon entry. Conversely, if you exit the vehicle and realize a window or sunroof was left open during an approaching storm, you can seal the entire vehicle from across a parking lot without returning to the cabin. The coding process also allows you to disable the window safety interruption. If you're on an older E-Series, you'll look for the NFR-M module and set FH_TUERAUF_STOP_MAUT_3R2 active. But on modern F and G Series BMWs, you'll go into the BDC or FEM module, locate FH_TUERAUF_STOP_MAUT along with the rear equivalent for back doors, and switch them from active to NICT_active. This ensures your windows roll all the way up, even if someone opens a door mid-cycle. At number 3, we have the double lock alarm bypass that most owners accidentally trigger without realizing they've disabled their vehicle's security system. Factory-installed BMW anti-theft systems utilize a dual-axis tilt sensor and an ultrasonic interior motion detector to secure the cabin. The tilt alarm sensor detects physical changes in the vehicle's angular pitch or roll to prevent wheel theft or towing, while the interior motion detector uses ultrasonic transceivers to monitor cabin volume for air displacement. BMW engineered a command override sequence into the key fob's firmware for scenarios where you need to lock the doors but disable these physical monitoring systems. Pressing the lock button a second time within 30 seconds of the initial lock command instructs the BDC to bypass both the tilt sensor and interior motion detector for that specific locking cycle. The vehicle confirms this change through a distinct visual cue. When the alarm is normally armed, the red LED status indicator on the underside of the interior rearview mirror flashes once every 2 seconds. When the double press override is executed successfully, this red LED illuminates solidly for exactly 2 seconds before returning to its slow, flashing pattern. This double lock protocol is useful when shipping the vehicle on a car ferry, parking on unstable structures, or leaving a pet inside the vehicle briefly while locking the doors. However, drivers coming from non-luxury brands often double-click the lock button out of habit, routinely disabling their vehicle's alarm sensors without ever realizing it, because the visual confirmation is silent and easily missed. The technical implementation of this override system demonstrates BMW's attention to real-world usage scenarios that would otherwise trigger false alarms. Ferry crossings, multi-level parking garage elevators, and flatbed trailers all subject vehicles to motion that would continuously trigger the tilt sensors, creating an annoying and ineffective security system. The ultrasonic motion detectors are similarly problematic when pets or passengers remain in the vehicle, as their movement would cause constant alarm activation. Understanding when to use this feature properly can prevent embarrassing situations and maintain good relationships with neighbors and parking attendants. The key is recognizing that the double lock sequence should be intentional, not habitual, and used only when you specifically need to disable motion detection while maintaining the basic door lock security and perimeter protection systems. Number 2 brings us to the physical Valet lockout system that completely isolates your trunk from electronic and physical access using the hidden metal key blade. Securing personal items during valet parking requires isolating the cargo area from both physical and electronic access points. BMW's Valet lockout system relies on the physical key blade hidden within the key fob and a dedicated mechanical isolation switch located inside the glove box. To execute this security protocol, slide the release mechanism on the side of the key fob to extract the integrated metal key blade. Inside the glove box, locate the mechanical valet switch and slide it to the left, which mechanically and electronically decouples the tailgate lock actuator from the central locking system. Close the glove box lid and physically lock it using the metal key blade. Then keep the blade with you and hand only the electronic transponder portion to the valet. Once isolated, the trunk cannot be opened via the key fob's trunk release button, the interior driver's side switch, or the exterior trunk lid handle. On newer models running operating systems 7 and 8, this mechanical system has been partially replaced by digital valet parking mode activated via the iDrive display. However, the digital mode has a security vulnerability. If the vehicle has folding rear seats that can be unlatched from the cabin, a valet can fold down the seats to access the trunk directly, bypassing the electronic lock entirely. The older physical lock switch method remains more secure for vehicles equipped with it, though some model years omitted the mechanical switch due to packaging changes. Owners can retrofit this physical switch using OEM parts. If you have an F33 series, you'll need the hotel switch part number 61319253779 wired directly into your FEM module. For G-Series cars and larger platforms with a BDC, you'll use switch part number 61319253780 and universal housing 61138380696 to complete the loop. The evolution of this system reflects BMW's ongoing balance between convenience and security as keyless technology has advanced. Early BMW models relied entirely on physical keys and mechanical locks, providing absolute security, but requiring multiple keys and complex procedures. The integration of electronic systems improved convenience, but created new vulnerabilities that the hybrid physical-electronic valet system addresses. The retrofit capability for missing valet switches demonstrates BMW's modular approach to vehicle systems, where the wiring harness and control modules remain compatible even when specific components are omitted from certain production runs. This allows owners to add functionality that was designed into the vehicle architecture but not included in their specific build configuration, often for cost or market-specific reasons. And finally, at number 1, the most shocking secret. Older E-Series BMWs have a keyless ignition run loophole that lets you start and drive the car without the key fob in the dashboard slot. This capability exists in older E-Series BMW models, like the E93 series, E65 series, and E84X1 that utilize physical key slot ignitions with car access system control modules. Under normal operating conditions, the vehicle cannot be started unless the key fob is inserted into the dashboard slot for transponder authentication. However, the CAS firmware contains a specific timing loophole that creates a brief window of vulnerability. When you shut off the engine and eject the key fob from the slot, the CAS module doesn't immediately go to sleep or lock the ignition circuit. Instead, It enters a stay-awake standby mode for approximately 10 seconds. If you press the dashboard Start/Stop button during this exact window without reinserting the key fob, the CAS module authorizes the starter to crank and run the engine. The vehicle will start and can be driven without the key fob in the dashboard slot, allowing you to keep the physical transponder in your pocket. This loophole allows drivers to leave the engine running to precondition the cabin during extreme weather while keeping the physical key fob secure. You can step out of the car, use the physical key blade to lock the doors from the outside, and leave the vehicle running without leaving a transponder inside that would allow theft. This sequence is completely undocumented because it represents an engineering bypass of standard safety protocols rather than a designed user feature. BMW never publicized this capability due to potential liability concerns regarding unattended running vehicles, making it a hidden sequence known only to specialized technicians and enthusiasts. The technical explanation for this behavior lies in the CAS module's power management and authentication protocols. The system is designed to maintain authorization for a brief period after key removal to accommodate scenarios where the driver might need to restart the engine immediately, such as after an accidental shutdown or stall. This grace period prevents the inconvenience of requiring key reinsertion for immediate restart attempts. The security implications of this loophole are significant, but limited to specific circumstances. While it allows the vehicle to run without the physical key present, it requires the original key to initiate the sequence, and the vehicle cannot be restarted once turned off without the key fob present. This makes it useful for legitimate purposes like cabin preconditioning, but prevents unauthorized operation by someone who doesn't possess the original key fob. These 5 hidden BMW key fob features represent sophisticated engineering that most owners never discover. From the automatic sleep mode that prevents relay theft to the physical valet lockout that secures your valuables, understanding these capabilities transforms your key fob from a simple remote into a comprehensive security and convenience tool. The key to unlocking these features is understanding that BMW engineers built far more functionality into your key fob than they advertise. Whether it's coding comfort features, using the double lock bypass properly, or leveraging the physical security systems, these hidden capabilities can save you money, protect your vehicle, and provide convenience that most BMW owners never experience. Master these secrets, and you'll join the 1% of owners who truly understand what their BMW key fob can do. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. And if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button. And I will see you in the next one.